Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
So, I might buy me one of those. Okay, so let me
tell me what you want me to do, because I'm not good at taking pictures, but I want to start being better.
I got you. First thing we just sit this right.
Oh, that's pretty. No wonder you said perfect. That's cute.
Right there.
Okay.
I'm gonna have you sit there.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna place Bailey across your lap. Bailey, go sit with mama.
Come here, Bailey.
Go sit up on mama's lap.
Okay.
Now, you got this split on, girl. You need to show them.
Show my legs.
Yeah, show them.
Five shots in, still feeling like a baddie. Fuck love, I'm tryna rob a nigga daddy. The trappers outside make a hood bitch happy. Tell a nigga go tiger, make it nasty. I pay my own bills, what a nigga gotta tell me. Life's good, thank God I got wealthy. And all my niggas say the same thing. If I need anything, call on them, they gon' help me. Each occasion that's 250. If you see me with them, know it make moves with me. I'm not hoe, say I'm too pretty. They just wanna tie the knot and get loose with me. I love it when he hit the spot. If he get comfortable, start playing, I'ma switch him out. I don't really care about him, I care about the mouth. And have me popping up the pussy, wanna talk it out. DJ Uncle, walk it out. Bank account look like it's selling bricks. A billionaire, I shed a flick. I like niggas that are filthy rich. And if I don't get what I want, you know I'm talking shit. Only nigga that can cuff me is that Richard Mill. I ain't no player, but I play the field. Yeah, he cute, but is he paying bills? I can treat a nigga bad, I bet he staying still. He want a family. I want a party out the country with some ratchets. The way we poppin' it was where we with some dancers. I got money now, I don't get no taxes. Yeah, I'm looking good as fuck. The way these bitches hating on me, I can't make this up. Don't even follow me, but looking for a follow-up. What you doing? Tell that nigga put money up.
Happy Christmas Eve. We here at the cabins, y'all. Oh, we at the cabin. You literally can't see shit though. Cute. So nice. It smells like pine wood in here. This is so nice.
It's really nice.
Ooh. I had to step up. Okay. You like it, Bailey? Okay, yeah, they did have body wash and stuff in here, babe. Look at him in the shower. Like, why would you get in the shower? Oh, so cute. I'm gonna let him ass on his. I fucked that up. Okay. Daddy, you hungry? You want some food? You hungry? Feeding Bailey. You tired, babe?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Take that little nap. I don't sleep. You did too.
Yeah, I did.
I didn't season anything yet.
Maybe that's me smelling like that fire. Okay, you shot the onions up. Maybe that's what it is. Cause I'm like, something smell good when I walk in. I like it.
You want one of these foot?
Huh?
You want one of these foot?
I was let him ass show his ass like I'm Pikachu. I'm not doing nothing, y'all. Y'all hear my white man? I got a white man now, girl. I had to get me a white man.
Sometimes that's what you gotta do. If it ain't white, it ain't right.
Yeah.
Ain't that what people are saying?
And I'm making Bailey some food. I should have made, ooh, what if I made Bailey a grilled patty when we done on the grill with this chicken? Smoke it. That shit probably be good for him. It'll have a smoky taste and shit. Only me would do that, like right here.
You think Bailey cares? Bailey
Nah, I don't give a
whatever
fuck.
you give him. Whatever you give him. I'm about to snatch that.
And then I put most of the chicken in here too. Yeah, you can stir this shit up. You want some food? Say something. Tell me you love me. Tell me you love me. You better tell me you love me. Tell me you love me. Don't get mad. Do what I say. Tell me you love me.
How many times you like that?
No, tell me you love me. No, tell me you love me. Tell me you love me. No. Tell me you love me. He did his teeth like this at me. Like he mad. Tell me you love me. You tell me you love me. Yeah. Nah, that ain't it. That's not even it. Tell me you love me. You heard that? Tell me you love me. Yeah, you better. I'll be back. Hey, Zaddy. Okay. This is what we got on the grill, y'all. Some burgers on a fire pit grill thing. Yeah, I don't think y'all can see it like that. Can y'all see me, y'all? It's dark out here, but I might just have to show it to y'all in the morning. Y'all babe made those burgers. They're so good. He didn't bring no mayo. Oh, it's on the time. So we eating burgers with barbecue sauce on them. But it's so nice out here, y'all. I've been trying to come back and listen to y'all. Bitch, I got a burger. I don't make me a girl. I mean, I jinx myself. But ooh, Savannah. For real, I'll be back tomorrow. Ooh, where I'm at? Ooh, I'm trying to get my clothes on. Good morning from the cabin. Girl. He done her weave killed me, girl. Look at this, girl. And this ain't even a weave. This a quick weave. Look what this boy did to my hair. Her weave killer. So I ain't got no hair to put on for Christmas, y'all. This outfit's be. Bitch, I'm out here for Christmas, bitch. Girl, I ain't got no hair on for Christmas, but. Oh, well. We're gonna have for Christmas, girl, because I can't even put this back on. Like. Girl, what the fuck? But yeah, girl. But he ordered me a wig that I could wear while I'm still down here so I go home. But it's Christmas, so y'all, it ain't even gonna come till fucking Saturday. So, I'm just be like this. Until Saturday, so. Hey, babe. I was showing the camera that I don't have no hair no more for Christmas. I'm bald head for Christmas.
I'm not. You got hair?
Yeah, I got hair. Who?
He look like OGB.
Oh, yeah, he do. He was like a one-hit wonder. Cause I don't think he put out shit else after that. Unless he in jail like most of them niggas be. Yeah. $40 weed from this firehouse came through clutch, okay? Cause baby messed up my hair, her weed killer. That's his new name now. Her weed killer. I was just playing. Don't forget about me. Don't stop watching my channel. Y'all know, like I done said before, I'm no different from Jay Majette. We be on the same type of time, girl. So this ain't my main money, y'all. I just come here cause I love y'all, okay? Anyway, look at my boo cooking. She up there still singing that. What you? Oh, you gonna grill some pineapple? Oh, already. Yeah, me and my boo. We outside doing fireworks. Happy 4th of. I said happy 4th of July. Y'all, I'm drunk. Happy New Year.
Love y'all, family. Dad.
What?
All right.
Oh my God.
There you go. She didn't even wait. Like, just she act like she didn't know how to hang up the phone. I can't lie. This is my first time doing this show. Top of the Lord. My husband comes up there, right? So, okay. Look, 2026 glasses on. Look at you. 2026. You got to advertise it.
I'm gonna get something to block the one.
They need how he's got. Where's something? That was nice. So this is his house?
Oh shit, y'all. We gonna go to jail. Oh y'all, we started a fire. We gonna go to jail, y'all. Look, he over there. See?
Oh, shoot. Oh, no.
That's what you talking right there.
Damn right.
It's done.
It's down there.
Yeah, that
I
was
thought it was
what
25 shots.
it probably was. Hey, son. All right.
Like I
Hey.
Like
All
I
right.
said,
You got it.
he could do some barbecue. That's for sure. I ain't had nothing else other than that because I made the other stuff when that happened.
What about breakfast? Lady?
Oh, okay.
Ooh,
Yeah,
Coach
I
Hudson,
was
right?
fine, so I wouldn't know about that.
And the chicken. Remember the chicken? Remember the chicken that I used, the roaster that you gave me, Ma? I made chicken in the roaster you gave me.
Oh, okay.
On the Texas, we gonna taste.
Oh, it's 1 minute to New Year.
1 minute to New Year.
Yeah.
Then you
Yeah,
like
because
it,
when
son.
you have